Good afternoon. We have checked into the Ottawa HI Hostel, so we're settled in, and we're actually going on a hiking trail. And by we, I mean me and the two Aussies. So I'm going to find them downstairs. Let's go.
We're going to see is there's a whole section of trails. The whole part of the Greenbelt I think is 200 square kilometers around the city. And the trail we're going on goes through Beaver Pond. We'll go either down the Limekiln Trail, we'll see it at Limekiln, or we have the choice of taking the Rideau River Trail, which actually, if you keep following it for another 250 kilometers, you'll be in Kingston.
No, not that one. It's in a closet.
So hold my hand, I'll walk with you, my dear. The stars creak as you sleep, it's keeping me awake. It's the house that you close your eyes.
I want to see that one. Can you see that one?
Yeah, his name's Lucky.
Your name's Lucky.
Exactly.
Probably. Really?
Anyone else?
Me. Oh my god. They might not want it.
I was prepared. Oh, sunflower seeds. Yes, well. Last time I accidentally brought chocolate, banana, peanut butter seeds. Granola bar. There's also another area where there's lots more. So
I might
don't feel pressured.
He's gonna come back. You got two. Oh, they were fighting each other.
Probably have another hour or so left to go around and come back.
Okay.
It might be a little more than that if we kind of like trot along. But sunset is also in an hour, so we're gonna try and
Do it before.
do that little motion.
Strut.
Do a little strut.